Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this knotless braid on my 4B natural hair, very short hair. So guys, please keep watching. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Ruthie, and on today's video I'll be showing you all how I made this hair. Oh god, I love it. I so love it. I'm so not ready to, I don't really like combing my hair and all that, so I'm so grateful I could do this on myself, about myself. And literally it took me 3 days, guys. Yeah, 3 whole days to do this hair, and that's because I was breaking and, like, you know, just go out and do some stuff for myself. So that's why it literally took me 3 days, and it's long, and it's also because of the length. But literally, if you want to do this yourself, you have to stay for a whole, let me even say 24 hours if I'm not wrong. But there's no way, I don't know, if you're really a dedicated person or you have someone assisting you, you could actually do this hair for 1 day or within a day. So I don't know, but me, I did it for 3 days, and I really don't regret it because my hands were already so tired. So guys, I don't want to bore you with my so much story. I'll be seeing you guys while I get the video, or I'll be seeing you guys in the video. So guys, to start the whole process, you have to comb your hair, and this is the tiny yarn or thread I'm going to be using for today's hair. So guys, for the bantu knots, this first part, you really don't have to be perfect in the cutting, okay, because it's the back. So basically I don't really have much on my back right now, so I just had to like hold it first, and then I later went back to like clean it up, like just to cut it. So guys, but you just have to set a base for yourself and know that, okay, I'm going to be doing a box braid, right? So you just know how to start cutting it. And this is how I went about it. I took one of the thread, roll it around my hair, and then I tied it together, and so I cut the thread. So that's what you're going to be doing in every piece, or in every single piece of the hair, okay? You tie it, like you wrap it around, then tie it, wrap it around, tie it, cut it, okay? So that's the style we're going to be using on the bantu knot for today's hair. So I'm going to be doing 3 at the back for you guys to see, 3 examples for you guys to see, and I'm also going to go to the front to show you how I pattern the front, or like, yeah, how I pattern the front and how I cut it, okay? So basically I did this first, but actually you can start from the front. It just depends on where you're comfortable at starting. So sometimes it just depends on my mood, okay? But sometimes I can start from the front, sometimes I can start from the back. But most times that I start at the front, it's when I want to do like a different pattern totally, okay? So that's when I start from the front. So guys, this bantu knot will make you it will serve as a base. Yes, it's gonna serve as a base for your hair, so you can grip on your hair. Obviously, as you guys can see, my hair is literally short, but it's actually full, guys. I don't even know, but the hair is confusing sometimes. But actually, this bantu knot I'm using is to like make sure I can actually have a grip on the hair while I am doing my knotless braid or box braid or crochet, okay? That is the reason for all this bantu knot. In Nigeria they call it puff puff. Yes, they call it puff puff hairstyle. So but here they call it bantu knot. I don't know, but whatever you guys call it is fine. But yeah, that is just why you do it. And this is how it looks like after I did it. You see, it's box box box, even if the patterns are not so clean. And so guys, this is how the front should be, or this is how I did my front. And you see I'm box cutting it, or yeah, like I'm cutting it in the box way. I'm not doing any slants. I'm trying to make sure it's equal. Literally, I didn't even use nothing. I didn't use any mirror for the back view, okay? I just freestyled on the back, and then I had to do the front with a mirror, so I'll be able to like make it clean at least to an extent. You understand? Yes. So guys, this is what you do. You hold it well, then you comb, okay? Like my hair is a bit frizzy at the, or nappy, yeah, at the tip, because it's new, you know, it's still growing. So I always comb. Once I cut, I'll just make sure I have a very strong grip on the hair, and then I comb out the tip. I comb out the tip of the hair so it has this good gripping when you're also making the hair or when you're braiding on the hair. If you don't comb your hair while you're braiding, it's actually going to pop out. I think there are some of them that I didn't comb, most especially at the back. I didn't comb them at the back, some of them, like 1 or 2, so they actually ended up popping out. But yeah, if you don't want anyone to pop out, just comb. And I'll be using my expression braiding hair for this. So literally guys, I was so confused when I started this braid because I have not actually braided on myself, or by myself rather. I have never braided by myself on a very short hair, also on my own head. So it took me some time, or it took me a while to like figure out that this is how I'm going to do it. But yeah, let me break it down for you guys. So I took my hair, that's the extra braided hair you're seeing right now, and then my bantu knot I made actually is going to be in the middle. So you just put it like you're putting it in the middle, okay? Like just put the hair. I'm going to show you an example, but let me just say it with my mouth right now. So you put the hair and then you make it like you put it in the middle, and then you just start braiding and adding extra hair. So I'm going to be using 2 colors for today's tutorial, this white and my black. So that's what I did. And guys, please ignore my bush way of holding the hair. But yeah, that's the only way I could do it though. So anyhow you want to do it, you know, just feel comfortable in doing your hair and you know it's going to come out right. Please don't look at anybody, do it and feel comfortable. So guys, this is what I'm saying. You see the way I put it in, right? That's how you do it. And then your bantu knot you made would serve as one hand of your hair, just like when you're starting a knotless braid, okay? And then once you've plaited like 1-2 strands, you'd add one more and braid again, and then add another, just like the normal way they do the knotless braid. But now obviously my hair is short, that's why I didn't start with my hair. But the extra braids you guys are seeing, it's actually, sorry, the extra braids you guys saw is going to stand as the hair, or 1 of 2 of my hairs, you know. So that's why I did that. So guys, before I continue, I want to remind you not to forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos, and also leave a comment in the comment section below. So guys, if you've gotten to this part of the video, I want to wish you all a very prosperous new year and a very delicious and beautiful 2021. Thank you guys for always being part of me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting. I love you all. So now guys, while you're braiding, do not forget to always measure out your hair, okay? Like when you're braiding the black, always make sure the other blacks or the other sides of the hair are equal with where the blacks ends and where the white starts from. I'll show you an example during the video, or yeah, like in this clip also you'd see me. Yeah, this is when I was measuring it. So guys, this hair almost cut out all my head. Like my neck was hurting, my arms were tired, my hands were hurting because my hair was short, so I had to like press and hold really firm and tight. So if you have all the patience in the world, please, you can do this. But what actually motivated me to do this hair was that I don't really like combing my hair. It's always tiring, you know, every day combing. So I decided to, like, you know what, let me just give it a try. And I'm really glad I did. I tried and it came out to be this nice. Okay, I'm really not regretting, or I'm really not feeling bad about the sacrifices I made. My hands that are hurting, my necks are almost going out of my head is almost falling out, like, but you know what, we just had to do it. You know, it's not always easy to look beautiful, it's not easy to look charming. Beauty is expensive, so we have to pay the price. And also, I actually saved myself at least $150 I actually saved that to myself, you know. So the fact that I still come out looking beautiful, and it's painful, but you know, it's still not expensive for me, you know. But like, yeah, my pocket is still full. I'm still gonna use the money to get something else, you know. But yeah, it's just worth it though. Like, yeah, it's worth it, and I am glad it came out to be this beautiful. And also, like you heard me said earlier, it took me 3 days to do this hair. Not literally 24 hours or 78 hours. No, it maybe like I did like 12 hours, and then the next day I did for like 2 or 3 hours because my hands were tiring, and then I had to go do some other stuff for myself. I didn't come to this life to do just one hair. But yeah, and then the first day I did the bantu knot. I just wanted to do the whole bantu knot and carefully did it. So that was just it though. That's why it took me 3 days. So guys, this is the outcome of the hair. Oh, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below, please. I almost broke my neck, and I also almost broke my lights because of this long hair. So guys, tell me what you think. So guys, if you love this video and you learned a lot from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload another video. And also guys, don't forget to drop a comment below. I love you all. I'll be seeing you on my next video. Bye.
Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard.